Consumer Reports just revealed the most reliable 2025 SUVs, and some of them are so dependable they're shaking the entire industry. This video breaks down every SUV you can trust to last for years and 2 bonus SUVs at the end to avoid before they drain your money. Watch till the end, because by the last SUV, the difference between a smart buy and a costly mistake will be crystal clear. First, the Subaru Outback. The Subaru Outback enters the list with a reputation built on long-term strength, consistent build quality, and dependable engineering that stays stable year after year, creating a model that many owners keep for extremely high mileage without major trouble because the structure is reinforced, and the powertrain is designed with durability as the main focus. And the 2025 version continues that pattern with a balanced boxer engine setup that reduces vibration. A symmetrical all-wheel drive layout that keeps traction predictable, and a suspension system made to handle rough roads without unnecessary shocks or stress, giving viewers a model that avoids sudden breakdowns and stays consistent on long routes even when conditions change. And the interior layout stays simple with physical controls that avoid complication, reducing the chance of electronic failures, while the cargo layout stays practical with enough space for daily tasks, long trips, or mixed use. And real-world data repeatedly shows lower than average maintenance needs because the platform stays unchanged in key areas, which means there are fewer weak points, allowing the Outback to perform strongly in reliability evaluations, including those similar to Consumer Reports scoring. And this makes it one of the safest for anyone who wants a long-lasting 2025 SUV without unnecessary fear of costly problems over time. Second, Mazda CX-90. The Mazda CX-90 follows next with a strong presence in the reliability rankings for 2025 because the engineering approach focuses on stable components, solid drivetrains, and a platform built to support long-term use without sudden faults. And the straight-six gasoline engine offered in this model is known for smoother operation and stronger long-term stability compared to many modern small-turbo designs that often develop issues as mileage increases. And the transmission setup is tuned for steady response without harsh shifts, reducing mechanical stress and allowing the internal systems to last longer under heavy use. And the chassis tuning gives the CX-90 a balanced and controlled drive that keeps wear low on joints, bushings, and suspension parts, which helps it maintain good condition even after years of driving. And the cabin design stays clean and durable with materials that hold up well over time instead of wearing out early. And this combination results in a full-size SUV that earns frequent mentions in reliability-focused evaluations similar to Consumer Reports testing, because it avoids complicated systems that often lead to early failures. And the CX-90 has shown strong performance in real-world ownership reports where mechanical stability, predictable maintenance, and solid engine behavior help it stand out as one of the strongest 2025 options. For anyone who wants a dependable SUV they can trust over long distance and long years without facing unexpected problems. Third, Lexus GX. The Lexus GX stands next with a structure built for long-term stability and a powertrain known for lasting far beyond normal mileage ranges. And the 2025 generation improves rigidity with a frame design that handles heavy use without bending or developing stress points, giving the model an edge in durability testing similar to those used by Consumer Reports. And the V6 engine delivers steady output without depending on overly complex systems that often create weak spots in competing SUVs, allowing smoother long-term operation, and the gearbox works with a focus on controlled engagement to reduce internal strain, helping the components stay healthy even when pushed through tough conditions or long-distance travel. And the suspension setup is crafted to keep movement balanced, lowering the wear rate on joints and supporting parts, which helps the GX stay dependable years after purchase. And the interior materials are chosen for resilience so surfaces resist early deterioration, creating a cabin that stays intact instead of showing quick aging. And this combination makes the GX a standout for anyone who values an SUV known for consistent reliability across different terrains and long usage periods without unpredictable failures or sudden repair demands. Fourth, Toyota Sequoia. The Toyota Sequoia follows with a strong platform designed to handle significant weight and daily operation without showing early signs of mechanical fatigue. And the 2025 model uses a reinforced frame paired with a stable drivetrain layout that keeps stress evenly distributed, allowing the SUV to maintain dependable performance over extended time. And the engine system provides controlled and steady power output without relying on fragile components, helping the internal parts avoid excessive heat or strain that often leads to premature issues in less robust models. And the suspension geometry supports smooth movement across uneven surfaces, reducing impact on structural points and keeping the SUV steady even under heavy load. And the steering system is built for consistency with a layout that holds alignment well, lowering the chance of repeated service visits. And the interior build quality remains one of its strengths with materials that do not soften, peel, or weaken quickly, keeping the cabin solid throughout long-term ownership. And the Sequoia often scores high in reliability-focused evaluations similar to those done by Consumer Reports because of its proven track record of strong mechanical life, minimal unexpected faults, and a design philosophy centered on durability rather than unnecessary innovation that could introduce failure points. Fifth, the Toyota Land Cruiser. The Toyota Land Cruiser holds its place with a design focused on strength, long service life, and mechanical stability proven over decades. And the 2025 version keeps that reputation by using a platform built to handle tough environments without developing early weakness in the frame or drivetrain, giving it a record of lasting far beyond normal usage ranges. And the engine setup provides steady performance without relying on delicate parts that often cause failures in modern SUVs, allowing smoother operation as mileage grows. And the cooling components, fuel system, and internal hardware are arranged to reduce strain under heavy load, helping the Land Cruiser stay consistent during long-distance travel or repeated daily use. And the suspension system uses durable components that resist wear, keeping the ride controlled and protecting the underbody from unnecessary stress. And the steering layout stays firm without drifting out of alignment quickly, decreasing the need for frequent adjustments. And the interior build focuses on tough materials that stay solid even after years of use, avoiding early cracking or fading. And this combination gives the Land Cruiser a strong showing in reliability evaluations similar to Consumer Reports testing. Sixth, the Toyota Highlander. The Toyota Highlander comes next with a balanced structure that aims for steady performance, predictable maintenance patterns, and long-term dependability that stays consistent across different driving situations. And the 2025 model uses a powertrain tuned to deliver smooth operation without creating unnecessary load on internal parts, helping the engine and transmission stay healthy as mileage increases. And the chassis design focuses on controlled movement that reduces impact on suspension joints, bushings, and link components, which supports the Highlander's strong record of holding up well as the years pass. And the exterior build quality stays tight with panel alignment that resists looseness or rattles, lowering the chance of small mechanical issues turning into larger problems. And the steering system remains precise without drifting over time, keeping the vehicle stable and reducing wear on related components. And the interior materials are selected for long-lasting durability, maintaining structure without early deterioration. And this entire setup gives the Highlander a reliable standing in evaluations similar to Consumer Reports scoring, because the platform avoids unpredictable components, instead using well-tested engineering choices that help the SUV maintain dependable performance without sudden failures or costly surprises. Seventh, the Lexus RX. The Lexus RX follows with a construction approach centered on long-term stability, creating a model that consistently performs well in reliability-focused evaluations similar to those conducted by Consumer Reports. And the 2025 version strengthens this reputation by using a drivetrain layout designed for balanced power delivery that avoids unnecessary strain on internal components, helping the system stay smooth even as mileage increases. And the frame structure supports solid handling without placing excessive load on suspension parts, allowing the RX to maintain steady performance across different road conditions. And the steering system holds accuracy over time without frequent correction, reducing stress on related hardware. And the cabin build uses durable materials that resist early wear, keeping the interior firm and intact through long-term use. And the electronic systems are arranged in a simplified manner to reduce the chance of malfunction, giving the RX an edge in dependability when compared with competitors that rely on more complex setups, making it a trusted choice for anyone wanting a 2025 SUV known for consistent, trouble-free operation. Eighth, Lexus NX. The Lexus NX stands next with a compact luxury form that still maintains strong dependability, supported by engineering aimed at avoiding weak points that often appear in smaller SUVs. And the 2025 model uses a refined platform that distributes weight evenly to prevent extra stress on the powertrain, helping the system operate efficiently without creating early mechanical issues. And the engine design focuses on smooth, controlled output that reduces internal friction and limits wear, supporting the NX's strong long-term performance. And the suspension layout is tuned to handle daily driving without transferring harsh impact into the frame or major components, extending the lifespan of key parts. And the steering assembly remains tight and responsive over extended use, lowering the need for repeated service adjustments. And the interior structure holds its form with materials chosen for resistance against fading or surface breakdown, giving the NX a lasting premium feel. And these traits place the NX firmly in the group of 2025 SUVs recognized for dependable performance in Consumer Reports. style evaluations, making it a solid choice for reliability-focused buyers looking for a smaller luxury option. Ninth, Honda CR-V. The Honda CR-V enters next with a reputation built on consistent mechanical strength and steady performance across long ownership periods. And the 2025 version continues this pattern through a platform designed to keep stress low on major components, allowing the drivetrain to operate without developing early faults. And the engine layout focuses on stable output that avoids unnecessary pressure on internal parts, helping the CR-V maintain smooth operation as mileage grows. And the suspension system is tuned for balanced movement that protects joints and structural points from rapid wear, supporting long-term durability even under frequent daily use. And the steering assembly holds its precision over extended time without drifting, lowering the need for ongoing adjustments. And the body structure stays rigid to prevent rattles or alignment issues that can appear in less solid designs. And the interior layout maintains strength with materials chosen to resist long-term fading or surface breakdown, giving the CR-V a dependable presence in reliability-focused evaluations similar to Consumer Reports scoring, making it a trusted option for anyone needing a 2025 SUV known for predictable, problem-free operation. 10th, Mazda CX-5. The Mazda CX-5 follows with a well-balanced layout that supports long-lasting reliability, earning strong results in evaluations similar to Consumer Reports testing due to its consistent engineering approach. And the 2025 model uses a powertrain tuned for stable and smooth function without introducing unnecessary mechanical stress, helping the internal systems remain healthy over extended mileage, and the chassis is designed to distribute load evenly, reducing pressure on suspension parts and keeping the SUV steady during daily driving. And the steering calibration maintains accuracy over long periods, minimizing component wear and keeping the handling sharp without frequent maintenance. And the cabin build uses durable materials that stay intact and avoid early aging, supporting a solid interior feel even after years of use. And the electronic layout is kept straightforward to limit the chance of unexpected failures, giving the CX-5 a reliability advantage over competitors that depend on more complex systems. And all these factors position the CX-5 as one of the dependable 2025 compact SUVs for anyone looking for steady performance without unexpected breakdowns or rising long-term repair issues. 11th, Subaru Forester. The Subaru Forester takes this position with a layout engineered for stability and consistent long-term behavior, giving it a strong standing in reliability-focused evaluations similar to Consumer Reports testing. And the 2025 model continues this direction with a boxer engine design that keeps vibration low and distributes movement evenly, reducing internal strain as mileage builds. And the symmetrical all-wheel drive system provides predictable traction without placing unnecessary load on the drivetrain, allowing the main components to last longer without developing sudden issues. And the suspension structure is set up to absorb rough surfaces without transferring heavy impact into key joints, lowering wear and extending part life. And the body construction remains solid with a design that prevents looseness or flexing, helping the Forester maintain a controlled drive even after years of regular use. And the interior materials stay firm with surfaces that resist early deterioration, keeping the cabin stable and functional over long periods. And these combined traits make the Forester a dependable 2025 option for anyone looking for a compact SUV known for mechanical consistency and strong real-world durability without unexpected downtime. 12th, Toyota RAV4. The Toyota RAV4 completes this segment with a proven record of steady operation backed by engineering choices that favor long-term stability, giving it one of the strongest reputations in evaluations similar to Consumer Reports rankings. And the 2025 model uses a drivetrain that delivers smooth output without applying unnecessary stress on essential internal parts, allowing the system to stay healthy as mileage increases. And the chassis design supports even weight distribution to prevent concentrated pressure that can lead to early failures in less refined SUVs, helping the RAV4 remain reliable during both short daily trips and extended travel. And the suspension tuning avoids harsh rebound, protecting components like mounts, joints, and arms from rapid wear. And the steering setup maintains consistent accuracy over long-term use, lowering the need for repetitive adjustments. And the cabin construction uses sturdy materials that resist fading or surface breakdown, helping the interior hold up well over time. And this complete approach keeps the RAV4 high on reliability lists because it avoids fragile designs and focuses on proven systems that maintain dependable performance throughout years of ownership without sudden mechanical problems. Now for the bonus worst SUVs. First, Volkswagen Taos. The Volkswagen Taos struggles with mechanical consistency, and its 2025 version continues to show weaknesses in engine and transmission durability. Components like the turbocharged engine and small drivetrain parts often require more frequent attention than competitors. Suspension and steering layouts are prone to early wear, which increases maintenance needs over time. Interior materials also show faster deterioration compared to more reliable models. Overall, the Taos ranks poorly in reliability-focused evaluations and is considered a costly SUV to maintain long-term. Second, Jeep Wrangler. The Jeep Wrangler is known for off-road capability, but reliability and day-to-day durability lag behind other 2025 SUVs. The drivetrain components face higher stress under normal driving conditions, causing frequent repairs. The suspension design leads to faster wear on joints and bushings, while the cabin materials and mechanical systems can fail earlier than expected. Evaluations similar to Consumer Reports consistently flag the Wrangler as a model that can drain money and attention over time, making it one of the worst choices for buyers focused on dependable, low-maintenance ownership.